What's up, everybody? This is Ref Kenny FX once again. Thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. So today I want to tell you, pertaining to the last video on Bollinger Bands, I want to tell you how I took entry using these Bollinger Bands. And first, before using entry on Bollinger Bands, I want to tell you how I got this using the price action knowledge. And as you can see this trade, look at this trade. As you can all see, where I told you that as a price action trader you must analyze your market using the higher time frame. And if you look at this higher time frame, you would see that previously, let's go to the W1. You will see that for months, for weeks, this market has been on a downtrend. And you can see, if you're a price action trader, you would have learned how to draw your support and resistance. I drew my support where I had this previous lower low, because let me show you, this is the previous lower low on the weekly time frame. So now I have to move after getting my support on the weekly time frame. I have to move to my D1, because as you can see on my D1, as a price action trader, when you identify your support and resistance, you have to simply wait for a rejection, which is, before you enter a market, you have to wait for a chart pattern and a candlestick pattern. So the chart pattern we later saw here on D1 is the double top and double bottom pattern, and you can see this double bottom already formed the W. Look at it, it's already formed the W. And I entered using my smaller time frame. I entered using my H4, and on this H4, as you can see, we have this double bottom pattern. Look at this double bottom now. Look at this. You see this double bottom? You see it? I entered at the close of my 4-hour candle. Let me zoom out for you so you could see. I entered at the close of my 4-hour candle, because after it's closed there, we now have a candle pattern called the bull cross, or the bullish engulfing, anyone you call it. So guys, as you can see, I have made over 250 pips profit. And now let me go to H1 for you. From H1, you would see that there is another double bottom pattern here, double bottom, and I entered. I didn't enter blindly, although there are rejections here, but I waited for my H4 candle to close, and can you see it rolled all the way. I also gave these signals in my VIP. Now, pertaining to the last video I made, let me add an indicator called Bollinger Band. If you remember in the video, if you really watched my video on Bollinger Band, I told you that when you have something they call Bollinger squeeze, when you have something called Bollinger squeeze, that means here you would see that these bands are squeezing together. Let me landscape for you. These bands, they already squeeze together in the aspect that you see somewhere here there is space between the band, but this place the band squeeze together. That's Bollinger squeeze. It's telling us that there will be a long bullish market, a long buy in the market. That's all about Bollinger squeeze. And as you can see, let me go to H4 for you. And when you see this H4, you will see that this lower Bollinger bands also serves as a support. See it again on the H1. The lower Bollinger band also serves as a support. It got rejected here, went up and got rejected again, serves as double bottom, and it went. So guys, knowledge, when you seek knowledge, it is very, very profitable. Now look at it. See where I entered. See where I've adjusted my SL, although I already closed some profits. So guys, seeking knowledge. This is Ref Kenny FX again. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.